Hello friends, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class. Today we are here again to study this topic, differentiation. And the dimension we are looking at is differentiation using the knowledge of chain rule. And in our previous classes, I told you that if you have a function of this form, y is equals to a function of u, that's f of u, and u is a function of what? X. And we want to find the derivative of y with respect to x. We want to find the derivative of y with respect to x, which is noted by dy dx. Then the result will be derivative of y with respect to u, dy du, multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x, which is du dx. So this is the chain rule formula we looked at in our previous class. So we want to look at example 3 on this topic we have been treating. We want to find the derivative of this very function. Y is equals to sine of open bracket square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1. We are going to do that using the knowledge of chain rule. You can see y depends on sine, and this sine depends on what? X. So we are going to call this this is the function of x we have here inside the bracket, just like u. So this quantity inside the bracket is like our u, the function of x. So we are going to say let u be equal to this function, square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1. And if you simplify this further, we are going to have that, square root is index half. That's square root index half. So I can write this as x squared plus 2x minus 1, then raised to power index what? Half. So this is my u. Then since this is my u, the whole of this is u, then this implies that y will be equals to what? Y will be equals to sine of u, because I have called this whole quantity u. So because of that, y will be sine u. Then I can use this formula. I can now differentiate y with respect to u, then differentiate u with respect to x. So I will differentiate y with respect to u. So I will differentiate y with respect to u, right? Then if you differentiate sine, you are going to get what? Positive cosine. So this gives us positive cosine of u. Then next, we will differentiate u with respect to x. We are using this formula, differentiate u with respect to x. Look, this is our u, right? We differentiate this with respect to x. But this quantity u is also, you are going to still use what? Chain rule formula to differentiate what? U as well. So look at what we are going to do. We know that if you are using chain rule formula, you are going to differentiate the inside and differentiate what? This index, right? And multiply. So let's differentiate this quantity inside. What do you have inside? X squared plus 2x minus 1. Differentiate x squared. What is the index of x squared? 2. So you write the index 2 minus 1, right? You minus 1 from the index. This is how you differentiate. Bringing down the power, minusing 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is what? Index 1, which I can leave as 2x, right? Plus, differentiate 2x, you are going to get what? 2. Using the same power rule. Then differentiate 1, you get what? 0. You get 0. So the derivative of the inside is 2x plus 2. If you differentiate 1, you get 0 because 1 is a constant. So this we are going to have this multiply by, we differentiate the bracket. What is the index of the bracket? Half. You bring it down. Then you write the whole of the thing you have in bracket. X squared plus 2x minus 1. Then raised to power half minus 1. Right? We differentiated the inside. We got this. We now differentiate the bracket. What's the index of the bracket? This. You bring it down. Then what do? You write this bracket and minus 1 from the power using the index rule, right? Minus 1 from the power. So this will be this. I can write this to be half of 2x plus 2, then multiplying x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus 1. Half minus 1 is negative half. This gives us negative half, right? Then we now do dy dx. Dy dx by formula will be equals to dy du multiply by what? Du dx. So this is the formula we have here. What is dy du? Dy du is cos u. So we have cos u multiplied by what is du dx? So du dx is half of 2x plus 2 multiply x squared plus 2x minus 1 raised to power negative half. So what is u? Look at this. This is our u, right? So we are going to replace u with this. So this will be cosine of square root of x squared plus 2x minus 1, because this is our u. This quantity is our u. Then multiplying half of 2x plus 2, we have x squared plus 2x minus 1 raised to the power negative half. We have multiplication. So this gives us the derivative of this very function with respect to x. So thank you so much for being part of this class. I'm expecting you in our upcoming class. Bye.